I'm going to show you how you can use proximity marketing to promote your affiliate products next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm going to talk about using proximity marketing to promote affiliate products, right? If you follow my channel at all, you would know I'm with a company called Genusity, and one of the products that they offer are marketing devices. All right, they're little devices. Actually, just the one I have right here. I keep it on my keys, or you can put it on your wrist, but I got my Fitbit over here. But you can pretty much put these anywhere. We have different devices, but what this does is sends out a marketing message, all right, to nearby smartphones, Androids, tablets, laptops, desktops, you name it. You can actually promote whatever you want. It'll show up on, like I said, these different devices, right? All you do is create an ad in your back office and you're good to go. I said in a couple videos ago I was gonna do different videos and show how different how people can use this technology. All right, so one way you can use these is to promote affiliate products, right? I'll put right here, bam. All right, this is an ad. I promote CBD products through Genusity as well, but this ad gets seen a lot, all right, in a 50-mile radius from wherever my little device is, all right. My CBD ad is being shown, okay. Now, that doesn't have to be, a CBD. Say you have an affiliate product, maybe you have a weight loss product, or maybe you have a dog training guide. I don't know why I always use dog training for example, whatever. But you go on ClickBank or JVZoo, whatever you're signed up with as far as affiliate products, and just create a cool, catchy ad in your back office of Genusity, right? And just your hands free at that point. Your ad will be shown. Now, keeping it real, you're not guaranteed clicks. That's what people get the misconception when it comes to these devices. They're being shown, right? Your ad will be seen. Whether it get clicked on determines on the person looking at the ad and how good is your ad. So a good thing about Genusity with these ads is you can switch your ad up whenever you want. So say it's recommended you at least keep your ad for like a month, just to see how it does, whatever. But just say, you got a lot of views, but you didn't get any clicks on your ad. Okay, switch your ad up. Switch it up. Change the color, change the image, change, the text, whatever, and try that out. But just knowing that when you create these ads, if someone clicks on that ad, go to your ClickBank offer or your JVZoo offer or whatever, they can buy right there. They can buy and you can earn that commission. And guys, the cool thing is it's only $15 a month to keep your device on. That's it. Once you buy the device, this one is actually 49 bucks. Yeah, I pay for shipping and everything, but it's yours, right? You don't pay for this device after you buy it. You buy it, then all you gotta do is pay 15 bucks a month, and you are advertising 24/7. So even right now as we speak, I'm sitting here, 50-mile radius, 50-mile. I got ads running, right? And cool thing is, like I just said, I can go into my back office right now and I can promote a weight loss product. Or, I do personal training, so I can go in there right now and I can put an ad about, personal training, whatever. So very, very effective, guys. But if you are into affiliate marketing and you're looking for another marketing strategy, another method that you can do, grab you one of these beacons and start advertising. Guys, like I said, it's super affordable and it can be very effective. So if you want more information, you can click the link in the description. It says Genusity, or you can actually give me a call. My number is in the description of this video as well. So shoot me you can call me or even text me if you got any questions about Genusity or the beacons or anything like that. It's all good. All right, so hopefully this video helped you out. Be sure to comment, share, and subscribe. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.